morning! Today is Friday! I'm going into Tzaneen quickly to complete what I started yesterday there. I'm done. Going back home. Don't have any other work to do. I have to go to Polokwane to collect some stuff, but first I'm stopping off at home so that I can take some stuff to be sent. A little bit of a change of plan, but I'm still going to go to polokwane just a little bit later. First I need to go into Tzaneen again and do a little bit of work there, and then only can I go into or go up to polokwane. Yeah, so as I was filling up, the calls came through and I am now heading back into town, going to polokwane. I'm here in Polokwane, just going to the courier company and then heading back to Tzaneen. So, you know, courier company, Tzaneen, home. So now that somebody drove into my car, obviously in the parking lot, must have happened this morning when I was in Tzaneen. It's rather irritating. But anyway, I'm going back to Tzaneen. Whoop whoop. Okay, back in Tzaneen. Just gonna stop off at the shop quickly. That's where I am now. Okay, and that's gonna be it from me. For everyone watching in the morning, I hope that you have a great day. And for everyone watching in the evening, I hope that you have had a great day. Good night.